Hi everybody, I'm Tiffany with Quilt Quarters and I'm here with Mary Hakes. She is a fabulous teacher that has been quilting for over 20 years. She has been awarded 2 Master Quilt Awards, one for her Santa's Loading Dock and a second one for He Who Guides Me. She has also worked for Quilt Quarters years ago and is coming back to teach some classes and spread her knowledge of free motion quilting. She's teaching this class. It's a 2-session class and it is on Monday, November 7th and then the following Monday, the 14th. Each class is 3 hours and the cost is $65. Mary, do you want to explain a little bit of what's going to happen in the class?
I will. We will.
Yes.
We start with the very basics, beginning machine quilting to get you familiar with your machine and the working of the fabric on the small home machines. And then we continue throughout that session talking about tips and tricks and batting and needles and all the information you need to know. And then on the second session, we actually will quilt a design and again talk about handouts and tips and tricks on making your design and finishing your quilt. And this is the design we will be stitching.
Yep, I think that shows really well.
Okay, all right. It's an original design of mine. You all will get the pattern to take home to do with what you wish.
Yeah.
I've been teaching it for 22 years. I've been teaching this class all over the country and it's just been successful. I've had most everyone be successful at it and I would love to start up again. I've been off a few years and I'm ready to go again.
Yes, and it is absolutely beautiful and I'm hoping she'll let us keep this as a sample to show you guys if you'd like to come in and take a look at that. We will have a supply list for items that you will need for the class. And I know we've gotten a lot of requests for free motion quilting classes. This is the one you need to take, ladies. Please come in, take this class. There's so much you're gonna learn and get from this class.
Thank you.
Yes, and we're excited that she's here teaching it for us and take advantage of it while she's here. And thank you so much. Thanks. We'll see you soon and call us if you have any questions.